There's a stolen taxi parked in the center of the city. Fetch.
Thanks for the car.
The boss' wife has been visiting a friend. Go, pick her up. Okay, now wait for the boss wife to get in.
Hi, handsome. Take me to the hotel. Would you be a love and pick up my, fitness instructor on the way?
Okay, now wait for him to get in the car. Take us to the hotel and take your time.
Thanks for the lift, hon. I'd appreciate it if you could keep this to yourself. Also, could you watch our backs as we go in the hotel?
Ah, nice one. Here's your payment. Go back to the phones if you want more missions.
It's an emergency. I need your car.
A rival crime lord's brother has just bought a house in the south of the city. We've decided to kidnap him. His house is heavily guarded, but we think it should be possible for you to slip in unnoticed. Although you can go and know that's blazing in blood.
Move and I'll blow your head clean off.
Okay, I'll come quietly.
Great. Now, take him to the helicopter on the roof. Now, wait for the kidnappee to get on board. Okay, now, fly him to our helipad to the northeast. Okay, now get out.
Bring him to us.
Ah, job well done.